too smooth with the hit.
You too smooth.
Nah, for real.
Nah, for real.
I'm in the right now, finna get fresh as fuck, going downtown. In a lamb truck, all you hear is loud sounds with an Escalade V behind me, that's pound town. Get your bitch ass, took the pound town. Get your bitch ass, yeah, stump your bitch ass out and get the ground pound. Punch a nigga out, now he look like Bow Wow. I jumped out the car, you heard bow bow. Then I jumped back in the car, cause it was bulletproof. We beat my old engineer ass, I had to steal his boot. He went back to the crib with no scram and a missing tooth. Somebody called the police, I got a missing roof. I know my old bitch miss me, I don't miss her too. Might be hitting weird shit, that's what liquor. But honestly, I hit some weird shit too, I hit a trick or two. But if I get the money back, then I'll trick her too. Make her pay me for a verse, like, babe, you gotta invest in you. Believe me, I know what a tech could do. But nowadays we ride around with switches, they different, fool. He got a piece on the earth, this nigga trippin', fool. He got 100 on that bitch and he still shoot. The gun stolen in the car, he ain't got steel. He ain't shoot